Hello and welcome to my economics students. My name is Heidi Mathers and I will be your economics teacher this year. I think that you're going to find the study of economics to be really interesting. I think a lot of people come into it maybe with some preconceptions that it's going to be, maybe really abstract, but there's actually so much that you can get from this course and so much that you can apply to your real life. I have been teaching at Edina for 15 years. This is the beginning of my 16th year, and I also teach AP Psychology, and in that course, we actually talk about a lot of things that overlap with economics, and so hopefully I can incorporate some of those concepts into our economics lessons as well. My phone number there is a voicemail only. We don't have direct lines into the room. You may use that if you'd like to contact me. Otherwise, the preferred method would be my email that you can see on the screen. So what are we going to be studying in economics? First of all, economics is the study of ways that people and society distribute scarce resources to satisfy unlimited wants. As it turns out, we want a lot and we need a lot. And so we need to make decisions about how these resources are distributed. In macroeconomics, we'll be looking at the decision making of how to distribute resources from the individual or business point of view. In macroeconomics, we'll be looking at a broader picture, global interaction, trade, perhaps manipulation of the economy through federal action, etc. And in personal finance, this will be woven throughout the course. Personal finance has to do with how you, yourself, how are you going to use the resources that you have? And in fact, we'll be doing a project that will be due sometime near the end of the semester about life after high school, and this will give you the opportunity to practice and take a look at, what do things like rent cost? What does it cost to have internet? What does it cost for utilities, etc.? And it will also hopefully help you make decisions about what you want to do with your future. These are the units of study. The first 6 here, I'm not going to read them off, but they will have a summative exam at the end of each of them. There will also be assignments that will go along with each of the units, and the final subject that personal finance I already mentioned is going to be a life after high school project. So what do you need for this class? Not a whole lot. You need a folder dedicated specifically to this class. You need a notebook, something to take notes in. If you prefer loose leaf paper, that's fine, or a spiral notebook. Either way, it's fine. Writing utensils. You do need a face mask if you are in school, and I recommend, and a lot of people are recommending, that you have an extra one in case one gets dirty, so that you can replace it. And we'll talk about health protocol when we get to class if you're in the hybrid class. No food or drink is going to be allowed during class. The reason for this is that requires you to take off your mask. That's one of the reasons. The other reason is, well, I've seen a few mice in the building over the years, and we don't want to encourage that. All right, where can you get more information? Schoology is your one-stop shop. I will be doing all of my communication via Schoology. You will find the weekly calendars, your assignments, your attendance-based assignments, which when you're not in school, you'll need to complete those by 3:30 on the days that you are doing the learning from home. And any messages from me. My office hours will be in person for those who are in the hybrid model, 3:15 to 4 p.m. After school Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then I will do a 8:30 to 9:15 online office hour, and these meetings can be Google Meets or live, depending on which of the programs you're in, whether it's hybrid or EVA. I look forward to meeting you all. This will be an adventure together, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.